In this video, I will introduce you to Microsoft Word by showing how to start Word, how to create a new document, how to close the document after you have finished working on it, and then finally how to close Word. I am assuming that you have Windows and Microsoft Word installed on your computer. Start your computer, and after the computer has finished booting, Windows will launch. On your screen is the interface of Windows 10. To launch Word, click Start button. The Start menu will come up, which shows all software on your computer arranged alphabetically. Let's look for Word. So here it is. You can also search for Word by typing in the Windows search box. Type WORD and the word is there. Click. Word launches. Now click on New. Blank document. And Word is there on your screen with a new document open. If you need to launch Word repeatedly during the day, you may find it annoying to search for Word every time in the Start menu. You can avoid that by placing a Word shortcut on the Windows Taskbar. This is the Windows Taskbar. To do that, click Start menu, go to Word, place the mouse pointer on Word and right click. A pop-up menu comes up which is known as the context menu. Go to More and from the sub-menu, click Pin to Taskbar. So you see that the shortcut has come on the taskbar. Now click this shortcut and Word will launch. Word launches. Now click on New Blank Document and Word is there on your screen with a new document open. You can also launch Word using a Word document already saved on your computer. Let me show you how. Click the File Explorer. Go to Documents folder. Now these are the Word documents already on my computer. Double click the Dear Team file. Word launches. And it also opens the document clicked. You can use an existing document to open Word in a slightly different way also. Place the cursor on the Word shortcut and right click. This context menu comes up where you see a list of Word documents that have been used recently on the computer. You can click any of these documents to launch Word and open that document. So let's click Dear Team. So Word is launching and that file has also been opened. Now if you wish to close this file, click File and from this menu you click on Close. So that document has gone, but Word is still running. If you wish to exit from Word completely, click on this Exit button and Word will exit from the memory of Windows 10. If you want to close an open document and the Word program at the same time, there is a one-step process for doing that. You simply need to click the Close button located in the top right corner of the Word program window. This one. You click it, the document closes and Word exits. Thanks for watching. Do like and share this video. If you would like to see how-to videos on any other feature of Microsoft Word, please mention in the comment section below. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are informed of the next video when it is uploaded.